Guys, you know what I just realized? I guess I didn't really just realize it, but I miss driving. I don't really drive like on a day-to-day basis all that often anymore. Now that I work, well, I've been working from home, but like I don't even take Angelia to work or anything like that. So I really don't drive that often when it comes to just a day-to-day basis. Have to head on out right now and run a errand. A lot of stuff's been going on. A lot of stuff's been really been going on. Let me bring you guys along with me. We're gonna chat about a couple things. Let's do it. Hey guys, so two things. First thing, yeah, we just drove past Universal and so weird, man. Like me and Angelia now, we have been such big fans of Disney and Universal. So I don't know, I have a Universal vlog that's gonna go up. I don't know if it's gonna go up before or after this, but yeah, we've been going to Universal and Disney a lot. Like we're gonna get season passes. We're becoming Disney like people, like for sure. But second thing is though, yeah, so I'm going out to Glendale, which is like outside of the city, obviously. Yeah, it's pretty cool out here actually. A lot of different studios that are like in this area, which is like really cool. Funny, this is Niagara Street. Same name streets like literally everywhere you go. My goodness, am I even in frame? I don't even know if I'm in frame. Wow. Can't wait for my new camera to come. I have a new camera coming in Monday. It is Friday night. Well, Saturday morning, 12:30 a.m. Music's going on outside. Hopefully it doesn't pick up on the camera because I'm not trying to get copyright, but finishing up the one video. Well, I need to get this out for Saturday morning. I'm trying to get back on my schedule of uploading multiple times a week. I've been kind of slacking on that. I've been slacking, but I'm getting back there. Video, it's not the greatest at all, but I just have to get it out. It's like decent. It's not my greatest work ever, like that's for sure, but I just gotta get it out. I want to make sure I leverage this video in the best possible way. So I'm gonna upload this. Okay guys, so it's actually I don't know how many days later, like 2 days later? Like 2 days later, and yeah. I don't know why I just like literally forgot to pick up the camera again. But really quick, I want to talk to you guys really quickly. And like the biggest thing for me right now is I'm realizing I'm starting to miss really like doing stuff to the cars, like working on the cars. I am in no shape or form a mechanic or anything like that. I really like taking on tasks, like if I have to fix something or like install something or do something that I want to do, figuring out how to do that. So like, yeah, growing up, I wasn't like the type of person to be like, yeah, I'm gonna just like work on other people's cars and like know how to do all these like random things. It was much more of, this is something I want to do to my car, something I think I could probably tackle by myself, and that's kind of like what I've been doing over like, you know, my like life or my like car, I guess, journey. I really haven't, yeah, I was never the type of person to be like, yeah, hey, bring your car over, I'll like fix your AC compressor or something like that. Like, no, nothing like that ever. It was much more of like, this is something I want to do, something I can tackle. Let me see if I can figure it out. That's pretty much what I've been able to do. And even to this point, I miss being able to do that. So the only negative thing is like here where we live, very much like, even when I'm out here in the garage space, it's shared space and I can't really like do much stuff out here. So that is the negative thing. And I realize I'm like missing doing more and more stuff to the car. Not to mention my channel was a car channel and I like do stuff to cars, so that's been kind of tough. Like yes, I can take my car to like more shops to do more and more stuff, but like that's not necessarily what I would want to do for everything. Like certain things I'm like, I would like to do that myself. Like even like swapping over the wheels and tires, I could have done that myself, but I couldn't really do that in here. I don't really have the space to do it, so like I just brought it to a shop. It'd be quick and easy. Like even if I was thinking about doing a exhaust for the Jeep, which I don't know if I'm still gonna do that. Like I could do that myself, but I'm like, for me, I know myself it's gonna take me a while to do it, so it's not gonna be like a 1-2 like quick thing. It's gonna take me a couple hours to do it. And I don't want to like have my car apart like inside this like garage space for that amount of time, so that's been kind of an issue. I did see like my video I did like a while ago about renting inside LA. We're still like looking to see what we're gonna do if we're gonna move. We've been looking, we've been talking, we've been going through, so it was a whole journey. So I don't want to say much about that right now, but things are in motion for other things to happen. Don't know how long anything is going to take, but things are in motion. But I know for myself, I really miss having a dedicated garage space to do stuff in. But once again, who knows? I don't really know, you know? I don't really know. I am just talking to you guys and just being as transparent as I possibly can be. I have no idea what's going to happen, but I'm excited for the future. I'm excited for things to come on the channel. I have so many different ideas, so many different things that I'm going to be doing. Like I've been talking to different companies, getting different parts, lining stuff up to come. So I'm really excited about that. I'm actually going to be taking the Jeep off-roading today, which was kind of unexpected. So that video will be coming out soon. So if you want to see that video, subscribe to the channel, check it out. It should be coming out soon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.